Have you ever looked up at the night sky filled with its countless stars and felt a sense of wonder? Did you ever ask yourself a simple yet profound question? Is anyone out there? But what if we have been asking the wrong question? What if the question is not whether someone is out there among the stars, but whether the out there itself is someone? Could the entire universe, in all its magnificent, sprawling glory, be a thinking, feeling entity? It is a question that stretches the very limits of our imagination, pushing us beyond the familiar territories of planets, stars, galaxies, into a realm of truly cosmic speculation. It challenges us to reconsider everything we think we know about existence. This idea is not just a flight of fancy from a science fiction story. It has whispered through the corridors of philosophy and science for centuries. We are made of stardust, as the saying goes, the iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, all forged in the heart of a dying star. We are, quite literally, a part of the cosmos that has woken up. What if other parts of the cosmos, or even the whole grand structure, might have woken up in a different way? This is not just about little green men. It is about the very fabric of reality possessing a mind of its own, an awareness as vast as space-time itself. Since the dawn of our species, we have craned our necks to the heavens. Early humans saw the patterns of the stars. They wove them into stories of gods, goddesses, and mythical beasts. They did not see a cold machine. They saw a living cosmos with intention and power. The sun was a god in a chariot. The moon was a watchful goddess. These were more than explanations. They expressed a deep intuition that we are part of something larger and alive. This same wonder drives scientific curiosity today. It is a universal human trait. Across cultures and ages, we built star-aligned structures, Stonehenge, the pyramids of Giza. We mapped constellations. We predicted eclipses. We used the celestial clock to plant crops. We navigated the seas by the stars. We treated the universe as an active partner. Its rhythms echoed in our seasons and bodies. We felt connected because we believed there was something to connect with. As tools grew, our view changed. Galileo saw moons around Jupiter, and the idea that everything revolved around us shattered. We found stars were distant suns. Galaxies were vast islands of stars, separated by unimaginable voids. Gods and spirits were replaced by gravity, thermodynamics, and nuclear fusion. Science made the universe feel like a beautiful but mindless machine. Has that intuition vanished? Or has it changed its language? Today we talk about fine-tuning and quantum interconnectedness. The question remains, coincidence or sign of something more? Before we can ask if the universe thinks, we have to grapple with a much closer mystery. What even is consciousness? What is this thinking we do? You are experiencing it right now. It is the vibrant inner movie playing in your head. The redness of a sunset, the taste of chocolate, the feeling of love, the sting of a sad memory. It is your subjective, private experience of being you. It is the director, the actor, and the audience of your own internal show. Science can map electrical signals in your brain, but it cannot explain why those firings feel like something from the inside. This is the hard problem of consciousness. Think about your brain. About 3 pounds of soft, wet tissue, a complex network of some 86 billion neurons. Each is a simple biological switch. Yet somehow, from their coordinated activity, your thoughts, your dreams, your very sense of self emerge. Consciousness seems emergent, the whole greater than the sum of parts, like a flock of starlings forming patterns without a leader. Now, let us take that idea and scale it up. Way up. If a collection of neurons can create a mind, could a collection of stars and galaxies do the same? The argument is not that the universe has a brain of tissue. Rather, that it might be structured like a giant information processing system. The interactions between galaxies, the pull of gravity, the flow of energy. Could these be the thoughts of a cosmic mind? On immense timescales, a single thought might take billions of years to unfold. So what would this universal consciousness be like? It would not be like ours. It would not worry about paying bills or what others think. Its experience would be everything, everywhere, all at once. It would feel the slow burn of a star's birth and the violent explosion of its death. It would experience the silent waltz of galaxies drawn together by gravity over eons, the unified experience of all physical processes. This is the core idea behind panpsychism, the notion that consciousness is not special to brains, but a fundamental feature of matter, present in elementary form in every particle. An electron does not ponder existence, but might have a minuscule spark of experience. When countless such sparks combine in complex arrangements, like neurons in a brain, rich consciousness emerges. Matter is not something that creates mind. Matter is a form of mind. Think of water. A single H2O molecule is not wet. Wetness emerges when many interact. Likewise, consciousness emerges from countless simple points of experience. We do not need lifeless matter to suddenly become conscious. The building blocks were never truly dead. Astrophysicists simulate the universe's evolution. Matter clumps into a vast, interconnected cosmic web, filaments, clusters, and great voids. The pattern looks astonishingly like a neural network. Is that a coincidence? Or a hint of cosmic-scale information processing? If the universe is a mind, the laws of physics are its habits of thought. Gravity brings things together. Expansion is an outward-reaching impulse. Science is a powerful tool for understanding the how of the universe. It can tell us how stars form, how planets orbit, how galaxies evolve. It can trace the history of the cosmos from the Big Bang to today with astonishing accuracy. But science has its limits. It struggles with the why questions. Why is there something rather than nothing? Why are the laws the way they are? Why do we, and possibly the universe, have an inner experience at all? These questions lie for now in the realm of philosophy and contemplation. The idea of a thinking universe is where science and wonder meet. We can measure the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, but not whether it carries a first thought. We can observe the dance of galaxies, but cannot know if it is mindless mechanics or a choreographed expression of cosmic will. Scientists like Freeman Dyson have speculated about eternal intelligence, life adapting to survive in the universe's distant future, shaping the cosmos to its ends. Where does that leave us? With profound possibility. If the universe is conscious, our existence takes on new meaning. We are not isolated accidents, but part of a larger, thinking whole. Our consciousness is not an anomaly, but a reflection of the universe's nature. Our quest for knowledge, art, and connection could be the universe knowing itself. As you go about your day, carry this question. When you feel the sun, are they just photons, or a sliver of a star's experience? When you look up, is it empty space, or the face of a mind so vast its thoughts are galaxies?